Hello students, today we'll be solving the IB Math A HL May 2024 paper 2 time zone 2 question number 2. Actually this is a common question for both the SL and the HL level students. For the SL students it is question number 3 and for the HL students it is question number 2. And for the HL students you will be getting the other solved past papers, the first solved question, that is the first question of this paper, and the other solved past paper questions in form of playlist on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math EHL level tutor. In case you want to join my classes, please contact me for more details. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start solving this question. The maximum mark is 5. It is saying consider the following bivariate data set where P and Q belong to the set of positive integers and X values are 5, 6, 6, 8 and 10 and the Y values are 9, 13, P, Q and 21. The regression line of Y on X, that means the Y will be the subject, has equation Y equal to 2.1875x plus 0.6875. The regression line passes through the mean point. Every regression line will be passing to the mean point x bar comma y bar. Okay. Sapati's question is given that x bar, that is the mean value of x, is 7. Verify that the mean value of y is 16. It is containing just a single mark. So, and the regression line equation is this one. So, this is y equal to 2.1875x plus 0.6875. And this is a paper 2 question, so we can use the calculator. So the mean value of y will be equal to 2.1875 times the mean value of x plus 0.6875. So this implies the mean value of y will be equal to 2.1875 times mean value of x is 7 plus 0.6875. Okay. So therefore, the mean value of y should be equal to, let us use the calculator, it is 2.1875 times 7 plus 0.6875. Enter. 16. Okay. So the mean value of y is 16. Subpart B, given that Q minus P is equal to 3, find the value of P and the value of Q containing 4 marks. So, we are seeing the Y values are 9, 13, P, Q and 21. So, what will be the mean value of Y? We have just now found the mean value of Y. So, this is equal to 16. So, this should be equal to 9 plus 13 plus P plus Q plus 21. There are 5 data values, so I have to divide by 5 to get the average mean value. So this will be 9 plus 13 is 22, 22 plus 20 is 42, plus 1 is 43. So 43 plus P plus Q should be equal to 16 times 5, which is equal to 80. Okay, so therefore, P plus Q should be equal to 80 minus 43. 80 minus 40 is 40 and If I subtract 3 from 40, it is 37. You can use your calculator, but you may save some time if you can do the addition and subtraction, the trivial ones, orally. Okay. So this is the first equation. And there is another information given to us. It is Q minus P is equal to 3. Equation number 2 given. And that is P plus Q. So let me write Q plus P. This is equal to 37. And I'm adding these two. So this is 2Q equal to 40 implies Q is equal to 20. Okay. And we have Q minus P equal to 3. This implies Q minus 3 is equal to P, and the Q's value is 20. So 20 minus 3 is equal to P, implies P equal to 20 minus 3 is 17. So we have completed solving this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video with your friends in case you have liked my explanation. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you have not subscribed till now. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be really helping me a lot. It will be increasing my video's reach. It will be telling the YouTube that my video is worth watching. So the YouTube will be sharing my video to more number of students. And we meet again very soon. In our next session, we'll be solving the next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.